Okay, yeah, I just made it to Aldi. I usually go to this Aldi a lot earlier, so because it's 12 o'clock. So let's head in here and okay, y'all, I'm back in the car. I done started this video a couple of times and I don't know which part of the footage I'm gonna use, but okay, it was a little issue in Aldi. One of the managers, and y'all probably, I don't know if y'all will see him in the video, but one of the managers came up to me and was like, oh, are you taking pictures? I said no, even though I was. It shouldn't even matter because y'all know I go to Aldi almost every week, and I've been doing this for probably 2 years now. I've been doing Aldi videos for 2 years, I think, or a little bit, almost 2 years. And I've been into that Aldi's a couple of times, and he have seen me in that Aldi. So this particular time, he was behind me. He was like, are you taking pictures? I'm like, no, I'm taking video. I'm doing a video. Well, it's against our policy to do in the footage. I insert the footage.
Oh, ma'am. Why are you actually taking pictures?
Recording. I'm a YouTuber.
You're actually not allowed to do that either. You're not allowed to take pictures or record. Yeah, that's against our policy. You're not allowed to do that.
Where your policy? So I asked him to see the policy. He goes and he was like, okay. He was probably shocked that I asked him for the policy. If this is in your policy and this is against y'all thing, I need to see that. So he goes and he go in his office or whatever, and then now he is a manager. He turns it over to another manager. So now the other manager comes out and he look at me all crazy, like almost like, what's going on? Me that you're gonna bring me the policy so I can see that policy? And I'm like, well, okay, the other manager said I can't record this, this, and that, and he gonna say it very low. Well, we ask that you don't record. I'll insert the footage. So is that in your policy, no recording?
Yeah, we asked you not record in the store.
Because I was recording all of that. And I said, but is it in your policy? And he was like, we just asked that you don't record. I said, but you didn't answer the question that I asked you. Is it in your policy? But that's not what I asked. Is that in your policy to not record in your store?
I'll see if I can find some for you. So I can see it.
Yeah, I would like to. Please. And I want to see the policy. You know, so all said and done, the other manager came back to me and he apologized, and y'all will see that in the footage. You know, I understand because of competitors, but like what I was saying earlier, I'm not doing nothing. I'm not recording people. I'm just recording the products in the store just for my channel. Something I do every week. You know, today just wasn't a good day for Aldi, if you ask me. My camera was acting up when I first went into the store. For some reason, it kept saying SD error. I don't know what the heck was going on today. I don't know.
Oh, ma'am. Why are you actually taking pictures?
Recording. I'm a YouTuber.
You're actually not allowed to do that either. You're not allowed to take pictures or record. Yeah, that's against our policy. You're not allowed to do that.
Where your policy at? Because I ain't never seen that in the policy. But okay. You're the first person that has ever, and I've been doing this almost a year. It's so extra. Thank you. Okay, y'all, I'm at Aldi. Now, y'all know I've been recording at Aldi for almost 2 years now. And now all of a sudden it says no pictures, no recording. So, you know, I'm most definitely gonna call corporate on this. So now I'm just waiting on him to go get the policy so we could see this, because I've never had this. Okay. I've never ever experienced this, and y'all know I've been recording at Aldi for 2 years. So this is the first time this has happened to me, but most definitely we'll call corporate. So we're just waiting on the manager or whoever supposed to be coming. and then I get back with y'all. Okay, I'm still waiting. Clearly, this is another episode of managers be on some bullshit. So we're gonna see. I'm gonna sit here and wait, and he's supposed to be bringing some policy out, but we're gonna see. And I did record that, so y'all will know and y'all will see. I don't know why I always get the drama, but for some reason I do, even though I don't be doing nothing. Are you the manager? You're the manager? Yeah. Okay, this man said that there's no recording and all that stuff. He was supposed to bring the policy. I guess he's telling me that you're gonna bring me the policy so I can see that policy. So is that in your policy, no recording?
Yeah, we asked you not record in the store.
But that's not what I asked. Is that in your policy to not record in your store?
I'll see if I can find some for you. Yeah, you see it.
Yeah, I would like to. Please, thank you. It's always some bullshit every time for nothing. I feel like I'm advertising for this company, so what the fuck is the big deal? I'm purchasing my items. I'm not messing with nobody. I'm not recording anybody. I'm advertising for the company on YouTube. Free. But they claim there's some policy against recording or taking pictures. I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't get it. But another episode of managers be making up shit. So when they find this policy, I most definitely will get it, read it, show y'all, so we can know going forward and we won't have this confusion. Okay, so now they want me to go outside or somewhere.
Yes, ma'am. So, I'm not trying to upset you or anything, nothing like that.
Of course not.
Yep, I'm just doing my job. I do apologize. Yes, and I possibly we got to look through it, but he said we would do that. So,
yeah, that's what I'm trying to. That's what I'm trying to figure out. What's the big deal? I feel like I'm advertising free.
No, the reason why is because we got different competitors. Like once they found out about our prices, like rulers, snooks, and like that, that's why they don't allow us to sell our policy. No, that's the only reason why.
I'm strictly for the candles.
And I understand it, but see, the other reason why, because we have rulers and snooks, they do come in and check our prices as well. They're not merchandise, so I'm not sure if we work for them, nothing like that. That's why I said it. I'm an entrepreneur. Well, right, I actually drive a school bus down the street. Right, that's why I said it's part of our policy not to do it, because we don't allow them, because we try to keep our prices more better than their prices, basically. Right. That's basically it. Yeah, okay. But it is in our handbook. We just got to look to the picture, but he just didn't want to look at the picture. Okay. So I'm apologizing on my behalf. I didn't mean to. I appreciate that. I appreciate that. Thank you so much. Okay, y'all. The manager did come up and apologize. He said it might be in their rule book or their policy book because of competitors, and I totally understand that. I totally get it because of competitors and their prices. I understand that, but like I told him, I'm just only in here looking for candles. I'm a YouTube, I'm an entrepreneur. I told him I work down the street. So, I don't know what's... Okay, yeah, I'm back in the car. Let me pull my door up a little bit. I'm back in the car. As y'all did see, I did record the whole footage. And the second part of that footage is gonna look a little weird because for some reason my camera kind of flipped. But what he said is because of competitors. That's the reason why they don't want recording in the store. But like I told him, I don't work for no company. I'm a bus driver. I'm a YouTuber. I'm just coming in here to get some candles, you know, to post on my Instagram, to post on my YouTube channel. But leave in the comments, let me know if you purchased anything from Aldi this week. What was your #1 pick? Did you buy those marble candles? Leave that at the bottom. And I guess I'll see y'all in the next video. All right. Peace.